Same humble red lentils, two totally different flavors. One bold and spicy with tempered spices, and the other earthy and comforting with spinach. Which one are you craving today? Let's begin with the ingredients. Red lentils cook fast and take on flavor like a dream. Today I'm showing you two easy and delicious ways to make them. A South Asian style or Sri Lankan tempered dal, and a spinach version that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Let's get into it. Begin by washing your dal thoroughly until the water is clear. So the amount here is 1 cup of red lentils, 1 cup of coconut milk. You will also need 2 teaspoons of curry powder, we have a video for that, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, some curry leaves and pandan leaves if available, and a half onion, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now very simply, place this on the stove and add in the ingredients. I'm using medium heat. I've added in the turmeric, the fenugreek, the onions. You can see how easy this is. And the rest of the spices. I've cut a chili, split it in two, and added it to the pot. Next goes in the herbs, which is the pandan leaf, the curry leaf, and some salt. Give that a quick mix and bring it to a simmer. Cover with a lid and cook until 70% doneness. They should feel slightly firm to the tooth. Next we'll be adding the coconut milk. So this is a 2-in-1 recipe video, and for the first version or the tempered version, I've got some chili flakes, curry leaves, pandan leaf, mustard seed, some onion, some dried red chili, and I also have chopped spinach for version 2. Add all the coconut milk to the lentils and give them a taste after 2 or 3 minutes. Once these have reached around 70%, remove them from the pan. I'm separating them into 2. So this is the base for both recipes. Let's begin with the tempered version. The spiced or oil-infused lentils, that's what we mean by tempered. Saute the onions until they get a little brown, then add in the chili, the pandan leaf, and the curry leaf. The chili depends on your heat tolerance. Some people may add garlic. In this case, I chose not to. It's up to you. Now add in the mustard seeds while everything else is frying and toss them about for a few seconds. Add the chili flakes and soon everything will become nice and fragrant. At this point, you add your lentils to the sautéed herbs and spices and give it a quick stir, and version 1 is done. There you have it. Tempered lentils version 1 completed. The next one is even easier. Take your chopped washed spinach and add it to the second lot of lentil base we had over medium heat for a minute or two. Give it a stir, and version 2 is done. Adding spinach to like a non-spicy base of dal can provide extra vegetables or nutrition when given to children. Lentils can be prepared a day ahead and kept in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. You can serve it with roti, bread, string hoppers, or rice. It's your choice. When preparing lentils, you do not have to use the coconut milk. That is also optional. So, 2 styles, 1 pot, healthy and full of flavor. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more lentil love or comfort food ideas, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Majid's Kitchen.